Wait, I have something which could change America's tech future and that too forever. One visa, millions of jobs, Indians at the center, and a political storm that is getting louder every single day. Washington is talking about a total ban. Yes, total ban on H-1B visa program. And wait, let me tell you, Indians are going to hit really, really hard. This time it's not just talks. Republicans are pushing really hard. They say that the system is broken. They say it is abused. They say American workers are paying the price. And now they want to shut it down completely. At the center of this push is Texas Congresswoman Beth Van Duen. Her message is blunt: no filters, no soft words. Stop it or rewrite it from the scratch. According to her, H-1B visas have become a shortcut for companies to replace the US workers with cheap foreign laborers. And here's where it gets more serious. Donald Trump, the US president, once seen as softening his tone, has now U-turned. His administration is tightening the screws. Higher visa fees, stricter background check, more paperwork, more scrutiny, more rejections. The message from Washington is clear. The welcome mat is being pulled back. But wait, here's another side of the story here. Big tech companies are worried, startups are nervous, universities are alarmed. They say that no H-1B means no top global talent. No talent, it means slower innovation, and slower innovation means economic damage. Can you think about this? Silicon Valley, AI labs, chip makers, biotech firms, many of them were built by immigrants and on H-1B visa. Now this H-1B visa, which is dominated by Indians, 70% of Indians, they are the H-1B visa holders. So here's my question to America right now. If you have so much problems with Indian talent and that too on H-1B visa, then you should probably return the Google CEO. You should probably return Satya Nadella, who built the Silicon Valley in the United States. The question is, will America be able to survive without these tech geniuses? So, what happens if the program is killed? Well, supporters of the ban say that America first, jobs stay local, wages go up. But here is the real point. Critics warn that companies move abroad. Innovation slows, the US loses its edge. This is not just a visa debate. This is a battle over the future of America's workforce. Protection versus global competition, and for Indians, specifically Indian tech workers, this debate hits home because the H-1B visas have been the biggest legal gateway to the American dream. Now that door is shaking and Washington has not decided whether to slam it shut or redesign it. One program, two Americas, and a decision that could redefine the US power in the global economy. The question is no longer if, the question is how far will this go?